This is the Seven Sisters Cliffs. It's one of England's most breathtaking coastal destinations, stretching along the Sussex coastline. These iconic white chalk cliffs offer dramatic sea views, rolling green hills, and some of the most spectacular walking trails in the country. In this video, we are exploring these white cliffs. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been long, I haven't made any videos, so today I thought I should make one. Today we are going to a place called Seven Sisters. It's a very unique name, and it's famous for all those white cliffs and the beach and the waters. So we're going there today. This is our first train, and then we're gonna catch our second train. It's gonna take us a total of 3 hours, 8 minutes to reach to Eastbourne, and then we need to hike from there around for like 30 or 40 minutes. So if you are wondering where this place is, it's right here between Seaford and Eastbourne along the coastline. You can actually go from either side depending on which city you want to explore. In this video, we are going through Eastbourne just because we found more hotel options in Eastbourne than in Seaford. So we're going to explore Eastbourne a bit, and then we're going to do our hiking trail for Seven Sisters from here. We have reached to Eastbourne now. Now we're going to go to our hotel and check in. So far it looks really great. Nice place. See you at the hotel. So this is our hotel. And this is the view, guys. Now let's check our room. Whoa, that's looking good. So one double bed here, one single bed there, and let's check bathroom. Like shower, sink, a mirror, and we have a TV, and we have another mirror. And this is the view. Not bad. The other side has seafront view, but this is not bad as well. Time to check the bed. 1, 2. Oh man, this is a comfortable bed. Oh, a bit of sunshine from there. How's it? Love it. It's a nice bed. It's a comfy bed, man. We're gonna rest for some time, and then we're gonna go to beach.
Done, guys, it's 6.
Yeah. It's so freezing, man. Oh. Yes. Woo.
Nice beach.
It's a nice beach, bro. Sugandha is dancing and walking. Huh? Look at this. And that's the view, actually, the wonderful one. And we're going there tomorrow. Hike there. But until now, then we will enjoy Stay bite. Woo, woo, woo. So we have just checked out from hotel and now
Time.
1 hour ahead of time. We shouldn't have done that, but we need to catch a bus. So it's gonna take us 30 minutes from here to the place from where we will hike. So we are now on the way to catch a bus down to Eastbourne Pier. And I will show you the bus. So we're on the bus now. Yes. Like £3 single ticket to Burning Gap. So it's gonna take us like 28 minutes
20 minutes.
to reach there, and then we're gonna hike. And ready? Okay. 2 hours. Right.
Back to home. And tomorrow, back to work.
So what do you guys think so far? Nice?
Reminds of
Oh my
Nepal.
I'm loving it. Amazing.
If you have to rate out of 10, how much? Until now.
9.
You?
Yeah, 10 just because we have to traveling like public transport. Point 2.
Public transport are not bad.
Reminds of Nepal.
Yeah. This is our stop, Burning Gap. Look at that view. We're hiking now.